The Green Bay Packers take home the W over the Dallas Cowboys. With 3 seconds to go, Mason Crosby with a 56-yard kick to take the game 34-31, and wow, was it a game to remember. Aaron Rodgers came out hot, completing 8 of 11 passes for 126 yards and a touchdown just in the first quarter. Impressive in itself, but even more so when compared to rookie quarterback Dak Prescott completing 4 of 7 for 52 yards passing. Prescott had ice in his veins after that first quarter. With 4:08 to go, Prescott goes 7 yards to Dez Bryant, and Dallas gets it done with a 2-point conversion to tie things up. So Green Bay is headed to Atlanta to take on the Falcons in the NFC Championship game.